Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to claim your Hamster Kombat coins in your wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram application and open the Hamster Kombat into there. Now once you are into this application, you just simply have to go into airdrop, and then you just simply have to connect your Tone wallet at very first. Just simply connect to your Tone wallet at very first, and after connecting to your Tone wallet, you can just simply very easily collect or claim your withdrawals or earning in the form of HMSTR tokens into your connected Tone wallet. Just simply open the Tone wallet and claim. This way you can very easily claim your Hamster Kombat coins into your wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.